So let's talk about 5G and EMF and what we can use that's super simple, super easy, even for our kids, that we can use to help with symptoms and protection. So if you don't know what homeopathy is, I highly suggest looking into it. Remedies are very easily, you can travel with them, and they can last for up to 200 years. They also don't have side effects, and we use them to treat everything from cuts and scrapes to shock to the body to cold and flu to depression, anxiety, you name it. Back to the 5G and EMF. So we have homeopathic remedies that we use for this. Now, homeopathic remedies come on little tiny, they're like little sugar pellets, and they just go right underneath the tongue and they dissolve. Now, the protocol that I use for my clients is a 5G and an EMF, and it is taken just one pellet under the tongue once per month. So if you already experience symptoms, a lot of people are very sensitive to those. So if you already experience symptoms like headaches, dizziness, things like that, you're going to notice that those are either going to go away or they're going to reduce as you're using it. Now, the other thing that is really cool that you can do with the pellets is you can put a pellet of each one into a glass spray with some water and alcohol, and you can actually spray it in your area around you, especially if you're working around computers or if you have like a phone-based station, something like that. So these particular remedies are not available over the counter or in stores. You do have to get them through a homeopath. So you can go right there and you will see a button for them. And if you already are working with a homeopath, then you can actually just ask them and they'll be able to get them for you as well. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below and I will make sure to answer them.